1. 1974 Jeep J10, $8,500, Priest River, Idaho. This 1974 Jeep J10 stands out with its rugged design and an appealing orange finish, complete with 4-bobby-D and a manual transmission. It has 32,880 miles, and its clean title reflects well on its condition. The truck features new chrome valve covers, an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, a fresh brake reservoir, and a new battery. Additionally, it comes with new shocks and leaf springs, plus 3 totes of extra parts. While the gas gauge is currently non-functional, the truck is well cared for and ready for the next adventure. This vintage Jeep J10 is a great option for enthusiasts looking for a powerful classic utility truck. Number 2, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, $6,495, Fremont, California. This sleek black 1979 Chevrolet Corvette is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 and comes with an automatic transmission. With only 25,157 miles on the odometer, it's in great shape for its age and runs smoothly, showcasing the reliability that makes it a true American classic. Featuring current registration and a clean title, this Corvette represents an iconic era of American muscle cars. With its aggressive stance and a pristine black finish, it's an eye-catching ride for any collector. Number 3, 1977 Dodge W200 Power Wagon Fire Truck, $7,500, Northwest Missouri. A unique find, this 1977 Dodge W200 Power Wagon Fire Truck is a classic 4x4 with 64,000 miles on it. Originally equipped as a fire vehicle, it includes a functioning pump, hose reel, and tank mounted on a steel skid for easy removal. This truck is an ideal choice for those looking for a rugged vehicle with historic character, and it still runs well, demonstrating Dodge's renowned durability. Its powerful build and distinctive past give it unmatched appeal in the classic truck market. 4. 1975 Plymouth Duster, $6,950, Los Angeles, California. Reminiscent of Al Bundy's car from Married with Children, this 1975 Plymouth Duster offers a glimpse into classic American TV culture. With a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and 59,000 original miles, this brown coupe is in original condition inside and out. The car runs and drives smoothly, with a clean title and a well-maintained interior. For collectors and fans of vintage television, this Duster is a quirky yet iconic addition to any classic car collection. Number 5, 1973 Chevrolet Impala, $7,000, Chicago, Illinois. This 1973 Chevrolet Impala, with just 73,997 original miles, is a remarkable example of a well-preserved one-owner vehicle. In excellent shape for its age, it boasts a clean undercarriage, a spotless engine bay, and a well-maintained original interior. Equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it runs perfectly, making it a reliable daily driver or a beautiful addition to a classic collection. 6. 1974 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, $15,500, Woodland Hills, California. This 1974 Lincoln Continental Mark IV exudes luxury with its 460 V8 engine and original design, having only 99,000 miles under its belt. As a one-owner vehicle, it features power windows, power locks, AC, and power steering, all adding to its comfort. Minor cosmetic flaws are present, but its clean title and solid mechanical condition make it a great option for collectors looking for a classic luxury car from Lincoln's storied history. Number 7. 1973 MGB, $5,000, Roberts Creek, British Columbia. This white 1973 MGB convertible with 56,000 miles offers a clean and enjoyable classic British sports car experience. Recently updated with new brakes, fresh tires, and a brand new battery, it runs and drives smoothly with a 4-speed manual transmission. Its classic design and additional parts, including a tonneau and new soft top, make it a fun, open-air ride ready for an enthusiast who appreciates British engineering. Eight. 1979 Ford Thunderbird, $3,500, Lancaster, New York. This 1979 Ford Thunderbird is a well-preserved example of Ford's luxurious and spacious coupe. With 21,000 miles on its 5.7-liter engine, it runs well and has a clean, solid body, showcasing Ford's build quality during this period. Its light blue finish and classic design make it an affordable yet elegant option for anyone looking to own a piece of late 70s automotive luxury. Nine. 1974 Cadillac Fleetwood Talisman, $3,950, Corktown, Detroit, Michigan. This rare 1974 Cadillac Fleetwood Talisman with 83,500 miles is a beautiful, well-kept luxury sedan that recently came out of a 25-year garage storage. Despite some rust bubbling and a slight lifter tick, it runs well, with a nice paint shine and a luxurious interior free of tears. With its exclusive front and rear center consoles, this classic Cadillac offers a unique blend of style and exclusivity from Cadillac's golden era of luxury. Ten. 1978 Alfa Romeo Spider, $2,000, Phillipsburg, New Jersey. An ideal project car, this 1978 Alfa Romeo Spider features a 2.0-liter engine with a mechanical Spica fuel injection system. Having last run in spring, it needs a new battery, but promises plenty of potential with its sporty design and 78,000 miles. This classic Italian convertible is known for its engaging driving dynamics, making it a rewarding project for those looking to revive a stylish, vintage European roadster.